I'm sorry, Carrot, but you are pretty dull and boring, and there's a lot of people who don't like you. So why don't we turn this bad boy into something really tasty, really delicious, that people who even don't like carrot will like, and it's one of my frugal favourites, so it's not expensive. Let's make carrot and coriander soup.
In a large saucepan, place 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add in a large onion which has been chopped up. Stir it round and saute it for around about 2 to 3 minutes to soften. Then add in 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, followed by 30 grams of red lentils and 250 grams of sliced carrots. Then add in 1.5 litres of chicken or vegetable stock. Bring it to the boil, then take it down to a simmer, pop a lid on and cook for 30 minutes. When the carrots are all soft and cooked, you need to blend it, so you can use a liquidizer or, like me, a stick blender. Blend it until it is super smooth with no lumpy carrots left. As a final flourish, I love to add some cream, but if you're keeping it healthy, you don't have to add this. Then all that remains is to serve it up piping hot with some gorgeous crusty bread. The full written recipe is on my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.